Well, so guys, I'm still looking for the holes where to put our poles. So maybe let's try. Let me read the manual again. Yeah. So it's showing me that I have, because this is the final product, so they have to pass here. Oh, so here's our pole. I think I can find it. Okay. So maybe it has to go this way. So let's try putting it here. So if you've ever gone for camping, maybe you can give us some ideas on the comment section. This is my first time setting up a tent in our village, guys. Very first time. I've never seen a tent in my life, so I'm really excited. Oh, so maybe this. Yeah. Maybe. So let me try here. So let us set up our tent. So it's a learning process. Maybe if you're going for camping, you can also learn from this video. So maybe the next time you won't find it so hard to set up your tent. So I'm just trying my best to learn in setting up these tents, because it's the first time. I'm just learning from the manual. So I'm just trying to learn from the manual itself. Wow. So I think we have our first pole. So let me try and put our second one. So this is the second pole. So let me put it from this other end here. So this is our second pole. So here's where you put it, like this. So guys, this is our second pole, and I think it has to go through here also. So this is our second pole. I don't know if you can see it clearly, guys. So trying to set up our tent for the first time in the village. I've never seen such a tent in our village. So I think I'm done with the second process of this manual. So I'm done with the second process of the manual. So let's go to step number 3. So after step number 2 here, we have to go to step number 3. Erect the tent with pole arc and put both pole ends in the webbing pockets on each tent corner. Tie up the crossed pole on top with ties. So we have to close the top, and then we try and put the corners inside. So now we have to try and erect our tent. So let's start from this corner here. So from the image I saw this thing here. So I think this pole, this other end goes here like this. Like this, and then this other end goes inside the pole also. So maybe the camera person has to hold the other end for me, so you can go and hold there. That, and then we erect it. I should feel it like that. Yes. So this is how we have tried to erect one side. So we have to go to the next side also. I think it's beginning to make some shape. Yes. So it has begun to make some amazing shape. Yes, so I was uprooting some weeds that bring me trouble. Yes. So wow. So this is our tent, guys. So you can see it has brought some amazing shape. So we were told now to tie this top. To tie this top like this. So you have to tie it very tight like that. So this is our second step of wow, even there's a house here now. We are camping in the village. Camping in the village, guys. Yeah? Yes, like this. Wow, it really looks amazing. So before we get in, let's go to step number 4. So let's go to the last step. So here we were in step 3. Step number 4, fix the rain cape with hooks on the tent. Move the tent to where you want to build your campsite using the pegs to secure the tent. Wow. So this is our last step. So our last step, you have to fix. So this is the rain cape, so that water does not go through here. You can see here we have some holes. So this is our last step. So just hook there. Then this other side also have to hook. So there are some hooks here, you can see. So this is a hook, and then we just put like that. So that I just got that from the manual. So we have to move our tent to where we want it. I think this place is good enough. Just set up our tent like that. So these are our hooks. So this is the last step. So these are our hooks. So let's you can see there are 4 hooks, so for each corner. So we don't have a hammer, we just use this stone. Oh, let me view it from the manual. This one. So I'm seeing they're trying to stretch it. Oh, so you have to hook so that the rain cannot go with your hooks. I think that is enough. The rain cannot carry away our tents. I'm having some trouble here. This thing is very hard. It's very hard. So I think the next time you have to clear your area maybe, and then it becomes easier. So the last hook, our second hook, like this maybe. So here's our second hook. Another hook here. I thought we were going to use sticks. I thought In my mind, I thought maybe we will be looking for sticks, but you can see they have provided us with the hooks for our camping tents. So this is the last step. So this is the last step. I think this thing now you can survive with it anywhere in the jungle, and snakes won't get inside. Yes, so that is our last step, guys. So we also have this. So this is the last item that I got. I think let's try and open it. Although it does not have any manual, you can just try and stretch it maybe and see what maybe this thing is. Eh? Oh, is it a table? So this is our, I think maybe it's a camping chair. So maybe if yes, wow, I think it's a chair now, guys. You can see you can just sit here with your laptop like this, and then upload your videos on YouTube and maybe edit them. So guys, this is our tent, and I think it's the first time I'm seeing a tent in our village. I've never seen such a thing, and thank you very much for the person that donated this to maybe help me on YouTube. Maybe when I go hiking next time, I will use this. So these are my boots. Let me keep them closely here, and now I can sleep. Although I did not come with blankets, but when I go camping next time, maybe in my next video, we'll try and camp. I can try